What's up guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make custom sounds in your Taranis QX7. Now this will be applicable to any controller that's running openTX, and if you have an openTX controller, you know that when you power it on, you hear this.
Welcome to openTX.
But we're going to change that to something like this.
Hey Sam, I hope you have fun flying today.
So this is not my controller. This is a friend of mine's controller. He's having a problem with his Beta 85X and another drone. So I took it home and I'm gonna try and fix it for him. But I figure while I have his controller here, let's troll him a little bit. So you can customize any sound that comes out of openTX. In this video, I'm gonna be changing the voice that you hear when you initially power on your controller. The voice that says,
Welcome to openTX.
I'm just gonna be changing that one in this video. The first thing you want to do is, if you don't have a micro SD card adapter, you can plug your controller right into the computer and do it that way, or remove the micro SD card. I'm going to remove the micro SD card, so I'm just going to power this off first. And take out the SD card. Now I'll hop over to the computer. Alright, so we're going to plug our memory card in. And here are all the files that are on our QX7. So all the sounds are under the sounds file, and we use the English one, and these are all the sounds that you could ever hear coming out of your QX7.
Low battery. RF signal critical.
So one that I'm going to be changing is under System, and it is called Hello.
Welcome to openTX.
So now what you want to do is get the sounds that you want to replace it with, and I'm not sure if there is a length limit on what it can use. I'm going to have mine be relatively short, so I'm not too concerned about the length of the track. Now I'm going to take those audio recordings and airdrop them to my computer. Alright, so all the files have been downloaded, so I'm just going to create a folder on my desktop so I can just keep this stuff organized. And I'll just name it Recordings. I'll go under Downloads. And here's the file.
Hey Sam, I hope you have fun flying today.
I'm going to put these in my recordings folder. And now open up Audition. If you don't have Audition, I'm sure there's other programs you can use that can export WAV. So here's Audition. I'm actually just going to take the Finder window, and we'll take this one and just drag it right here.
Hey Sam, I hope you have...
So I want it to start right here. So select the portion of the song that you want, right click, and just go to Save Selection As, and rename this to what you would like it to be named. Make sure that it's in the right file location. Make sure this says Wave PCM under sample type. You're going to want to make sure that that is at 1600 Hertz, mono and 16-bit, and you can change all those settings right under here. So 16, mono, and 16 again. Hit OK. And then under this one, just make sure this is 16-bit integer. And now we hit OK. And now when you go back to that folder, here's our new file.
Hey Sam, I hope you have fun flying today.
So all we're going to do is go on the file that you want to replace, click it, highlight the name. This one is just hello, but as you can see, there's FPS 0, FPS 1, foot 1. Basically, openTX is going to be looking for certain file names, and all you have to do is take this file name, rename it the one you want to replace, drag it into here, and hit replace. So now, when this memory card is in the QX7 and he turns on his controller, he'll hear this.
Hey Sam, I hope you have fun flying today.
So let's test it out. Let's eject our memory card, plug it into the QX7, and see what happens. All right, let's see what happens.
Hey Sam, I hope you have fun flying today.
So that's gonna do it for this video. I have another sound that I'm gonna put on here, but I'm not gonna include that in this video because I know Sam is gonna watch this video, and I'm gonna just wait and see how long it takes him to find the other sound. But if this helped you out or you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and whatever, dude. Thanks for watching.